Tired of kitchen clutter and outdated tools? These viral Amazon kitchen gadgets of 2025 are here to transform how you cook, prep, and serve, making your time in the kitchen easier, faster, and a lot more fun. From electric dough makers to clever lid holders, let's dive into the must-have tools everyone's raving about this year. The OXO Good Grips Corn Prep Peeler makes removing corn kernels fast, easy, and mess-free. Designed with a compact Y peeler shape and sharp Japanese stainless steel blades, it glides effortlessly along the cob without slipping. Its non-slip ergonomic handle and dishwasher-safe design make it a must-have tool for any home cook in 2025. These premium mini oven mitts from Cosmtech blend smart design with serious heat protection and made from non-slip, food-grade silicone. Their semi-circular palm shape hugs your fingers for a secure grip on hot pans, lids, and even eggs from boiling water. Waterproof, dishwasher-safe, and stylish enough to gift, they're a must-have for any modern kitchen in 2025. This bamboo bread slicer takes the guesswork out of slicing with 3 built-in thickness guides for perfect, even cuts every time. Whether it's sourdough, bagels, or homemade cakes, it keeps your slices uniform and your hands safe. Crafted from durable bamboo and designed to fit standard loaves, it's a reliable must-have for every home baker aiming for that perfect slice. This premium potato masher by Zulay is designed for smooth, fluffy mash without ever scratching your non-stick cookware. With a thick stainless steel core and a food-grade silicone coating, it delivers powerful mashing while protecting your pots and pans. Easy to grip, effortless to clean, and backed by a lifetime guarantee, it's a classic kitchen essential upgraded for 2025. Bring the bakery home with the Baby Cakes Mini Cake Pop Maker, perfect for creating 9 bite-sized treats in just minutes. Its non-stick surface, latching handle, and non-skid feet make baking safe, easy, and mess-free for any skill level. With included recipes and simple operation, it's a fun, family-friendly gadget that makes dessert time the best time. Cool down in style with the Dash Slushie Machine, perfect for crafting fluffy snow cones, slushies, and even frozen cocktails right at home. Its precision blades turn ordinary ice into smooth, snow-like texture, while the included recipe guide lets you personalize every treat. Lightweight, compact, and easy to clean, it's the ultimate frozen drink maker for kitchens in 2025. This all-in-one stainless steel mixing bowl set is built for modern kitchens, featuring 6 different sizes, airtight lids, and 3 grater attachments for slicing, shredding, and grating directly into the bowl. Non-slip silicone bottoms keep everything steady, while the nesting design saves serious cabinet space. With dishwasher-safe durability, extra kitchen tools, and smart design touches, it's the ultimate upgrade for home cooks. The Homater electric knife takes the work out of slicing, delivering smooth, even cuts on meat, bread, cheese, and more, with barely any effort. Its ergonomic design, low vibration, and extra-long cord make carving comfortable and precise, even for beginners. With dishwasher-safe stainless steel blades and a dual safety lock, it's a powerful yet safe tool built for carving like a pro. Meet Lid Sid, the quirky heat-proof silicone hero that keeps your pot lids propped just right to let steam escape and prevent messy boilovers. Whether you're simmering soup or following a recipe on your phone, this little guy multitasks like a pro. Fun, functional, and endlessly reusable. He's the perfect gift for the cook who thought they had everything. This 6-in-1 jar opener is the ultimate kitchen sidekick, designed to effortlessly pop open jars, bottles, and even pull tab cans with ease. With multiple grip sizes, a long ergonomic handle, and non-slip rubber lining, it provides the leverage needed to conquer even the most stubborn lids. Compact, durable, and perfect for seniors or anyone with limited grip strength, it's a thoughtful and practical gift for every home. The Joydeem electric dough maker takes the hassle out of kneading with smart microcomputer-controlled programs that simulate the rhythm of hand-mixing dough. With a spacious 7-liter capacity and ferment function, it effortlessly prepares dough for bread, pizza, dumplings, and more, ready in as little as 45 minutes. Space-saving, low noise, and easy to clean, it's the ultimate hands-free baking assistant for busy kitchens. This hand-cranked cheese shredder turns meal prep into a breeze, shredding cheese, slicing veggies, and even grinding nuts in seconds without ever putting your hands near the blades. With 3 interchangeable stainless steel drums and a powerful suction base, it stays steady while delivering perfect cuts every time. Safe, easy to clean, and compact for storage, it's a kitchen must-have that makes cooking faster and more fun.